This is Steve Robbins. Welcome to the Get It Done Guys, quick and dirty tips to work less and do more. Today we're going to explore several different ways to use erasable colored pens to make everything easier. Pens! I just love pens! I have big pens, small pens, and pens of every rainbow color. As a left-handed person, pens have always been problematic. The ink smudges on the side of my hand as I write, and then Zebra came out with their Sarasa pens with super fast drying ink, and at long last I could enjoy the benefits of vibrant colors, permanent lines, high contrast, and all the awesomeness that pens provide. But I couldn't erase. I could only scribble things out, and scribbling through my writing makes my notes ugly. We can't have that. It rained on my parade. It harshed my mellow. It ate my homework. Until this year. This year I learned about the most wonderful, amazing pens ever. The Pilot Friction series, that's Frixion. And at this point, I have 0.35mm friction pens in 20 colors and 0.5mm friction pens in 10 colors. These pens give the best of all worlds. They dry fast, they're available in enough colors to make my inner teenager giddy with delight, and they're completely erasable. Having erasable pens in 30 colors has changed my entire relationship with writing, and it's changed my workflows. And that's because color is powerful. Your brain can find and recognize color very quickly. If you're challenged with color blindness, you may have to change up your color schemes to accommodate that. But basically, color is a primary sensory mode. To get more organized than you've ever been in your life, you just need to use color methodically and use it in ways that help you streamline what you do. Use color to separate sections of your notes. You probably take meeting notes for all your meetings in a single notebook, hopefully with a table of contents at the front to help you find the notes for any given meeting. And if not, we covered that in episode 459, Get Even More Organized with a Table of Contents. This is a great system for helping you always know where to find your meeting notes. Sometimes a given meeting doesn't generate many notes, so you end up with multiple meetings on one page of your notebook. For every meeting, choose a different color pen for notes, and then as you glance through the notebook, you can quickly distinguish different meetings. You can change the pen color randomly with every meeting, or you can assign specific pen colors to specific types of meetings. Green can be meetings with finance, blue can be meetings with your direct reports, and so on. Color code your action items. Even though you change color for every meeting still has one thing in common. That's action items. Every time an action item comes up, write it in the same color no matter what meeting it comes up in. If you choose a color you don't use for meetings, the action item always stands out. I use blood red, for example. When you write, Ashley will get the production schedule to the fabricators by Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific time in blood red ink, it really underscores the consequences of Ashley missing that deadline, doesn't it? Color code your decisions. Decisions get made in meetings. Decided, we will abandon quality assurance entirely and let our users test how broken our product is, just like most of Silicon Valley. Write that decision in a consistent, distinctive color, perhaps a royal purple. And then, during the class action lawsuit, you can quickly find just the decisions in your notes by scanning for the purple text. Once you've found the decision, you can read the rest of that meeting's minutes to know who exactly was the source of that spectacularly brilliant policy. Color code projects. Instead of using random different colors for each block of notes, you can color code notes by project. Everything having to do with raising a zombie army can be written in black. Your plans to corner the world's thread market, no more fashionable clothes, ever, are in pink. And your Doomsday Device project gets written in a glowing radium green. When you want to review a project's notes, it's super simple to flip through your notebook and hone right in on the project you're reviewing. If you do forget to color code something, you can just do it later. Just draw the appropriately colored circle around it, and later, when you're scanning, it will still jump right out. Of course, since you're using erasable pens, you can erase text that's in the wrong color and simply rewrite it in the correct color. Your text stays neat and clean with no scribbles, and your notes will be beautifully vivid, high contrast, and gloriously colorful. I'm Steve Robbins. Follow Get It Done Guy on Twitter and Facebook. If you lead an organization or a large movement, you think big and you plan to change the world, I can help you organize your life to make bigger things possible without getting overwhelmed. Learn more at steverrobbins.com. Work less, do more, and have a great life.